Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I have explained about the Euclid's division algorithm and the first question in exercise 1.1, that is how to find the HCF of two given numbers. And in this video, we can move to the second question. And the second question in exercise 1.1 is show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. We have to show that any positive odd integers is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So, can start the solution. First, let us start with taking a, where a is any positive odd integer. Let a be any positive odd integer. Then we can apply division algorithm here with a and b is equal to 6. We have to start with a and the value of b will be equal to 6, that is here it is given 6q 6q 6q, that is so we have to select b as 6. Then the value of remainders will be, and the general formula for Euclid's division lemma is a is equal to bq plus r, where value of r is 0 less than or equal to r less than b, right? Then here b we have selected as 6. So here in this question the value of remainders will be 0 less than or equal to r less than 6. So the possible values of remainder r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can't write 6 here because here there is no any equal symbol. So we cannot consider the number 6 as remainder. So we can start doing this one. Then a will be equal to the general formula. In the general formula a is equal to bq plus r. Then if r is equal to 0, then a will be equal to b we have considered as 6. So 6 into q plus r is 0. So write 0 here. The answer is 6q. Then next, if r is equal to 1, a will be equal to 6q plus 1. Next one, if r is equal to 2, a is equal to 6q plus 2. Next, if r is equal to 3, a will be equal to 6q plus 3. If r is equal to 4, a will be equal to 6q plus 4. If r is equal to 5, a will be equal to 6q plus 5. We have considered all the possible remainders here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the possible remainders. We have substituted r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got the value of a as 6q, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4 and 6q plus 5. Then the question given here that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1. We have considered that a is that positive odd integer. So we can't take these cases, that is 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4, as this is divisible by 2. Then we can take only these cases. Which one? 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, as this is not divisible by 2. So that we get that any positive odd integers is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 5. All the other cases we can't take, as this is divisible by 2. If that is divisible by 2, then it will become positive even integer. So in this question we have considered only positive odd integers case. So we have to avoid this one. We have to consider only the other cases, that is 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. So this is the answer for the second question in exercise 1.1. The third question is, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? It is given in the question that in an army contingent of 616 members, they have to march behind an army band of 32 members. Then the two groups have to march in the same number of columns, and we have to find out the maximum number of columns in which they can march. So, we can start doing the solution for this question. Question number is 3. Then, by applying the Euclid's division lemma, we can find the maximum number of columns in which an army contingent of 616 members can march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. Then, next step we have to do is find out the HCF of 616 and 32. That is, HCF of 616 and 32 will be equal to maximum number of columns in which 616 and 32 members can march. So, find out the HCF of these two numbers. That is, 616 32. We have to find out the HCF of 616 and 32. That will be the maximum number of columns in which the members can march. So, 616 is greater than 32. Then start doing the division lemma here. Then 616 is the greater number, so select it as the dividend. 616 will be equal to 32 into. We have to find out the quotient here. So that divide 616 by 32. Here the quotient will be 1. 32 into 1, answer is 32. Then subtract this one. So we will get 29. Then put the 6 here, 296. Then here the quotient will be 32 into 9, answer is 288. Then subtract this one. It will be 16, it will be 8. So here the quotient is 19 and the remainder is 8. So write that quotient here, 32 into 19 plus remainder 8. Here the remainder is not equal to 0, so continue the same process here. Then the divisor in this step will become the dividend here. 32 will be equal to, and the remainder here is 8. That will become the divisor here, into 32. Divide 32 by 8. Here the quotient will be 4. 8 into 4, answer is 32. Remainder is 0. That is 8 into 4 plus 0. Here the remainder becomes 0. So the divisor in this step is 8. That will be the HCF of the number 616 and 32. That means the maximum number of columns in which an army contingent of 616 members can march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade is 8. That is, HCF is 8. Therefore, the answer for this question is 8. Okay. That means in the questions, to find out the maximum number, you have to find out the HCF of the given numbers.